Hi guys, today we are doing another keto approved recipe, which is the chicken lettuce wrap. As you can see, we are now frying our tofu, which was cut into cubes, and make sure that it will turn into brown. And now we're ready to saute with our garlic and onion. So now let's add the ground chicken. The mushroom. Next is the singkamas. Let's add in some pepper. And to add in the flavor, we will mix in our Amino Soy Sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil together. To make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated, just make sure to keep on stirring with low fire. And there you go guys, I hope you're able to follow this very easy recipe. So now let's try it out. Ayan. Just one scoop and then wrap it with this lettuce. Mas magandang gamitin ang lettuce iceberg. Yan siya. Ouch!